Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's Marissa again. You saw the haul last week, and so I'm going to play with the board and base surface here. So this surface can go this way or it can go this way. And the transfer I'm going to use here is I woke up like this. Jing! When I saw this, I almost had a heart attack, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this reminds me of my friend Jing so much, because this is her, she likes saying this. So let me put the base on the side, and we are going to use bright white. We are going to use candy red, and this is cherry blossom. It's pink, red, and white, basically, are the chalk base that we're going to use. I have my towel here to fuzz, and I have the water spray, and my water bath is the one that's casting a shadow over there. And so let's play with this, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to play with it and how I think I want it done. So I want this way to show my beautiful friend's face, and then I want to have it here too. I woke up like this on the very top. We already used this at a pop-up party that I did this week or last week, and I officially launched my Couture business, and I had some friends who came over and celebrated and actually worked on this. So I woke up like this, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and fuzz this a bit more. Trying to center this, so I'm gonna lift it up a bit. Let me fuzz it a bit more. Make sure this is centered before I tack it on. And then I'm gonna use the lashes because they're just so cute. And my friend Jing, I hope you're feeling better. She just loves using lashes too, so this is awesome for her. And then we have the lips. My friend Jing has kissable lips, or at least that's what I think her husband mentioned. Anyway, here you go. And I'm putting this a bit right there. Hold on. Her lips are not lopsided, so I'm going to have to straighten this up a bit. Kissabelle. Okay. So I woke up like this, I'm going to use the white. And then for the lips, and I'm going to lift this up later. If you notice, I'm not really tacking down the upper part of the lips. I'm just going and making sure there's no bubbles where the actual images are. So let's get going. I'm going to go ahead and start mixing up my paste, making sure that they're all in the consistency that we like them to be, which is yogurt or sour cream consistency. Start with the white. Yep, it's a good consistency, I think. So let me go ahead and start with the white, and I'm going to do it this way because it's a long way. It's going to be 3 different colors. So let me go ahead and chalk this part here. I'm going to try and close this, close up the paste, and before I do that, I spritz water in it so that it'll stay moist, and I clean the sides and the top part because it has a tendency to stick to the lid, and I don't like it that way. I don't like it when it does that. So I'm going to go ahead and close it up so it doesn't dry up. Now I'm going to use the cherry blossom. Let's see the consistency. It's a little thick, so I'm going to spritz some water. Mix it up. Oh my gosh, I forgot to lift this up. Don't forget to lift this up, guys, because it will dry. The paste will dry on the transfer, and when that does, it's going to be difficult to, oh, thank goodness, there's no fuzzing. Oh my gosh, every time I do this, the reveal time, I just am in love. Okay, so let me just finish with mixing my paste here. I just needed to get it to that consistency. And then I'm going to go ahead, lift my lip transfer here a bit, get it out of the way. I am so in love with these lashes. They are so flirty. Okay, reveal time. Isn't that cool? See how flirty they are? They're like my friend, Jing. She's very flirty, but I love her. So, putting the transfer face down. Okay, so let's play and see. Is it gonna touch my lashes? No, it's not. Okay. All right, so as usual, we're going to go ahead and put this two there because I'm done with those. And again, I'm going to clean the sides of the jar and the top of the jar just so it won't stick. I just find this to be the best way for my chalks to not, you know, it'll be easier for me to open them up later. Okay, now onto the red for the lips, for them kissable lips. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, this is perfect consistency right now. Guys, you saw how much or how little I put on. That's actually going to be quite a bit. That's actually a lot. We'll be scraping off some. So our paste actually could last you for a while as long as you take care of them. Once you open them, the shelf life is for 6 months. But if you keep them closed or unopened, I should say, they're good for a year. So, and I have a feeling it'll be longer than that, but that's what we put out. Just to be on the safe side, because if you live like where we live, like in Vegas, you know, it has a tendency to dry up our stuff quick. So spritz water, which I think I forgot to do for my cherry blossom. Have to open up my cherry blossom to spritz some water in it because I really don't want them to dry up. Drop the cap of my, all right, and then I'm taking, this is just a baby wipe, guys, that I'm using here, and just wanted to make sure that the top and the sides of the jar are clean, so when we open it up later, it's not sticking to the sides. And look what I forgot, guys. I was so worried about my space that I forgot to lift the transfer. Reveal time. Jing, this is dedicated for you, girlfriend. I woke up like this. How cool is that? And then you just put it on. And how cute is that? It's a little off-centered, guys. My lashes are a little off-centered, but it is so cute. Cute, 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 cute. Anyway, guys, you know the drill. My Facebook group is VIP Chalk Couture with Scrapbooks Hawaii. Please join it. And in that group, you will find kits that I'm going to be offering at a discount.
Website to order the Chalk Couture products is down in the description below. If you want to join my team for Chalk Couture, use the website down below in the description box.
These projects are quick and fast, so yeah, that's it, guys. I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.